Most people think AI is about chatbots, images, or flashy demos. But the real disruption is happening quietly, behind the scenes, in systems that run businesses, hospitals, factories, and even entire economies. Right now, AI is moving from being a tool people use to a system that makes decisions. Not in the future, already. These aren't speculative ideas or sci-fi concepts. They're real technologies being deployed at scale, reshaping how work gets done, how decisions are made, and which industries survive. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 AI inventions that will break entire industries, not by replacing humans overnight, but by changing speed, cost, and scale so dramatically that old models stop working. Let's start. Number 10. AI doctors and primary care systems. Healthcare systems around the world are stretched thin, and AI is being used to absorb that pressure. Today, AI systems can match or exceed human performance in medical imaging analysis, triage, and symptom assessment. Hospitals use machine learning to read X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs at scale, flagging high-risk cases in seconds instead of hours. Wearables now feed continuous health data into AI models that detect irregular heart rhythms and early warning signs before patients feel symptoms. Doctors still make final decisions, but AI handles the first-pass analysis. This doesn't replace clinicians, it changes where human attention is spent, especially as global physician shortages continue to grow. Number 9. AI-generated video and media engines. Video production used to be slow, expensive, and manual. AI has changed that. Modern systems can generate realistic video from text, clone voices with consent, and translate speech while preserving tone and lip movement. Media companies and advertisers already use these tools for explainers, training, and localized content. Recent breakthroughs focus on consistency across scenes and timing, not just visuals. That matters because short-form video now dominates attention online. When production time drops from weeks to hours, the economics of content creation completely change, especially for low and mid-budget media. Number 8. AI tutors and personalized education. Education systems were built for classrooms, not individuals. AI flips that model. AI tutors analyze how students answer questions, where they hesitate, and which mistakes repeat. They adapt explanations instantly, adjusting pace and difficulty until mastery is reached. Studies over recent years show AI tutoring can significantly improve learning outcomes, particularly in math and science. This doesn't replace teachers or schools. It replaces the one-size-fits-all delivery model. The real disruption is feedback speed. Students no longer wait days or weeks to understand what they got wrong. Number 7. Personal AI life managers. Most people don't lack motivation, they lack bandwidth. Personal AI systems are being built to handle coordination tasks like reading emails, summarizing priorities, scheduling meetings, tracking deadlines, and executing actions across apps. The technology already exists. What's new is consolidation. Instead of juggling dozens of tools, users interact with one intelligent layer that understands context. These systems don't make emotional or creative decisions, they handle logistics. And that matters because administrative work silently consumes hours each week without producing visible progress. Number 6. AI financial advisors. Financial decisions are often emotional, and that's usually the problem. AI-driven financial systems already manage portfolios, rebalance assets, and optimize tax strategies using real-time data. Large investment firms use machine learning to stress test portfolios against historical crises and market shocks. For retail investors, automated advisors reduce panic-driven decisions by consistently following predefined risk rules. Human advisors still matter for complex cases and trust, but for routine wealth management, software increasingly handles the math faster, cheaper, and without bias. Number 5. Autonomous coding systems. Software development no longer scales linearly with headcount. Modern AI systems can generate code, run tests, debug errors, and refactor existing code bases. In real production environments, developers use AI to write boilerplate, fix bugs, and translate between programming languages. Teams report faster development cycles and fewer routine errors. Humans still design systems and make architectural decisions, but the act of writing code is shifting towards supervision. The disruption isn't replacing engineers, it's changing how fast software can be built. Number 4. AI scientific discovery engines. Science is increasingly limited by time, not ideas. AI systems now generate hypotheses, analyze massive data sets, and run simulations across variables humans can't realistically explore. In recent years, machine learning has helped identify new materials, map protein structures, and surface patterns missed by traditional methods. These systems don't understand science, they test possibilities at scale. Researchers still validate results, but AI dramatically accelerates discovery by narrowing down what's worth testing. Number 3. AI-designed drugs. Drug discovery has always been slow and expensive. AI shortens the earliest and riskiest stages. Machine learning models now design candidate molecules, predict how they bind to targets, and filter out likely failures before lab testing begins. Several AI-designed drugs have already entered or advanced through human clinical trials, a major milestone. Regulation and testing still take time. What changes is the failure rate up front. Fewer dead ends reach the lab, reducing cost and speeding iteration where pharmaceutical risk actually sits. Number 2. AI employees and autonomous digital workers. Some work doesn't require a human decision at every step. Autonomous AI agents already monitor dashboards, manage customer support queues, run marketing experiments, update databases, and trigger workflows across tools. These systems observe outcomes and adjust actions without constant prompts. Companies deploy them quietly in operations and analytics. The impact isn't sudden job replacement, it's role compression. Tasks once spread across multiple people are handled by a single system. The expensive layer being removed is supervision, not expertise. Number 1. AI CEOs for small businesses. This is where everything converges. Small businesses already use AI for ads, analytics, forecasting, and finances. What's emerging now are coordination systems that connect sales, marketing, operations, and support into one decision-making layer. These tools don't set vision or values, they optimize execution. Pricing tests, budget allocation, and operational adjustments happen in near real time. That matters because small teams historically lost to large ones due to slower decisions. When software handles optimization, scale stops being an advantage, and the structure of business itself begins to change.